Welcome. In front of me I have the KODAK K12, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started with the reset, I do want to quickly mention you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Maybe your child set it up or you did and you forgot it. Doesn't really matter, you can get rid of it that way. Now you will also lose all the data that is stored on the tablet, and if you have a screen lock that you don't know, you don't really have any kind of way to back it up, as even plugging it in with a cable and trying to move over the photos, as an example, from the tablet to your computer, through the computer, won't be possible, as the tablet won't give access to you as long as you don't unlock it. So just know that all your data will be basically just gone. Now, if you don't have a obviously, if you don't know your screen lock, I think that's a small sacrifice, considering it's not like you can access these photos anyway without unlocking the device, and additionally you can't even access the device. So at least in one case, by resetting it, you gain access to the device itself. Now, one more thing that I do want to mention and make it abundantly clear: if you're doing this to remove a screen lock, you most likely also have a Google account signed in on the tablet, which is fine. It's going to be definitely better if you actually know it. So, because of what I'm about to say, when you reset the device in this way, when you're going to the setup process of the device, it will force you to verify either the screen lock or the Google account as a means to basically validate that you're the legitimate user of the device. And you only have to do one of those. So if you don't know the screen lock, you can always use Google account. But if you don't know both of those, well, then your device kind of becomes a fancy brick with a display. And that is kind of also not entirely possibly accurate. Before, at least I was recording videos for people like you maybe, that would allow you to bypass this verification process and then completely remove it. But since like Android 14, this is no longer the case, and it's been patched up, so you can't do it like at home willy-nilly by just glitching your way into different section or settings throughout the setup process and just getting past it. But there's a chance, I haven't checked it, that stores like the GSM stores that sell used phones, they usually offer services that would, for instance, unlock these devices. So for a small fee, even if you don't know both of them, they possibly could unlock it. So you could check it out. Anyway, let's get started now. So no matter if you have a screen lock or not, first thing you're going to do is hold the power button and you're going to select power off. Now the device will turn off, and when it does so, you can then hold all three buttons: volume up, down, and power right here. Start pressing all of them, and when you see the KODAK logo, let go of just the power button. So I'm holding still volume up and down, and this will take us to the recovery mode. In here, if I can maybe just make it a little bit brighter, there we go, now it's a little bit better visible. In here we're going to use volume down, which is this one right here, to navigate down in order to select wipe data factory reset. There we go. When it's selected, you can press power button to confirm it and select factory data reset the same way. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point the reboot system now will be selected by default. So press the power button once more to confirm that. Now this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background, so it will take the tablet a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Now once it's finished doing this, it will present us with the setup screen for the device. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. So that went much faster than I expected. As you can see, we're already done, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.